Stranded and need to jump your AGM battery? An absorbed glass mat battery holds charge differently than traditional batteries, but can still be safely jump-started when done correctly. Here's how. Before you jump-start, safety comes first. Wear glasses and gloves if you have them, and always make sure your jumper cables are connected securely to clean battery terminals. A loose connection can cause sparks or inconsistent power. Connect your jumper cables in the correct order, always starting with the red cable to the positive terminal and the black cable to a good grounding source, frame or engine block of the vehicle needing boosted. Connect the other red cable to the positive terminal and the black cable to the negative terminal of the vehicle boosting. Once the vehicle has started, remove the jumper cables in reverse of the install. AGM batteries are built to handle high peak current, but they're still sensitive to improper connections or damaged cables. Do not jumpstart an AGM battery if it's cracked, leaking, or swollen. If your AGM battery keeps dying, jumping it is only a temporary fix. A battery charger designed for AGM batteries can help restore it more safely. If you're needing to jumpstart your AGM battery more than once, it may be time for a replacement. Interstate Batteries offers high-quality AGM battery options designed for long life and reliable starts. Stop by an Interstate All Battery Center for a battery test or a full replacement and get back on the road with confidence.